How to send message to all contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send message to all contacts on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Head to the chat section tapping the chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now choose the particular chat which you want to send to all contacts. And then it might be a message or any picture or video. So you have to simply tap and hold that particular video or picture and tap the forward icon at top right corner of the screen. Now here you got the different contacts. You simply need to tap and hold it and then choose everyone one by one. Then there is a limit that you can share with up to 5 chats. So by doing 5 chats more time, you can easily send the message to all contacts on WhatsApp in this particular way. Now tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen and this message will be sent to all contacts on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.